Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you see, you got the red box gold Jumpman. On this end, you got the Levi's. By now, y'all already know what it is, man. You know, on the other end, you got the Levi's. What we're looking at today is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG in black, and black. You heard me? Now, opening the box, it comes with that card. Y'all already familiar with that. I'm not about to read it. Pause it, read it for yourself, or copy a pen, read it, man. It is what it is. Now, opening the box, you got the white paper with the Levi labeling on it. The big Levi labeling. Enough of that, though, man. Let's get straight to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Air Jordan 4 Levi's NRG in black. Out the gate, I think it's dope. I don't like it more than I like the blue pair. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I still think it's dope. Can't complain about it, man. You know, there's a look at the medial side. There it is from the front. You get a look at that toe box. You get a look at the tongue. There's the outside. I mean, overall, man, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. Here's a look at the bottom. You got the gum red and white. That's pretty dope. You know, that's typical of the Levi collabos, you know. There's another look at the bottom. I mean, like I say, man, I don't have no complaints about the shoe, man. You know, it is what it is. I think it's a clean shoe, though, man. You know, let me know what y'all think about it. You feeling me? Now you gonna pass. And they also got the white pair that done dropped already. I'm gonna do a review on those maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't know. Here's that Levi tag on the side. There's no Levi on it. There's a look at the wax laces with the gold tips. There's your air bubble. Pretty self-explanatory, man, you know. Let's take a look at the other shoe. There's no difference between the other shoe except this one comes with the hang tag. You know, overall, man, I think it's dope. It's hot. There's a look at your Air Jordan and Levi tag on the inside of the tongue. Here's your look at your inside. There's a better look at them. You know, I took them out so you can see. One of them has Levi, which is the left. The right one has Jumpman on it. I mean, that's dope, man. You know, it is what it is, man, you know. But, yeah, man, look, we're going to lay up here. We're going to go ahead and run through this right quick, man. You know, I think it's a dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We on the rise, you heard me? We're going to keep the content coming. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep on doing it for the culture, man. You know what I mean? But like I say, man, y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Check out the website. And we're going to lay up here and get into the on foot. And I'm going to holler back.